Students, now going to see on FASTA programs. FASTA tool named according to speeding progress. FASTA. FASTA stands for fast all because it works with any alphabet. This tool provides sequence similarity searching against protein databases using the FAST suite of programs. Described by Lipman and Pearson in 1985, it is DNA and protein sequence alignment software. This is one of the major software of bioinformatics. It is a fast homology search tool according to that name. Similar to BLAST, but this tool will speed up sequence comparison. Uses of FASTA. Lots of uses in FASTA. First one, identification of species. We could identify the species, establishing phylogeny, DNA mapping, understanding biochemical function of protein, studying evolution of species, identification of mutation and calculating molecular weight. This image shows FASTA steps. The 4 major steps. First one is local region first identified happened. Second is that local region score. We score using the scoring matrix. Third one, eliminate short diagonals area, cut off the score. Below score or cut off. Create gap alignment in a narrow segment, then perform SW alignment, Smith-Waterman alignment. FASTA programs. In the second slide, we see the different types of alphabetic used in FASTA. We could answer here. It compares a query protein sequence to a protein library or DNA sequence to a DNA library. T-FASTA compares a query sequence to a DNA library after the DNA sequence has been translated in all 6 reading frames. Next, FAST-S compares a set of ordered peptide fragments obtained from mass spectrometry analysis of protein against a protein database. Some searching instruments directly connected to the FASTA programs. Example, mass spectrometry. FAST X and Y compares a query DNA sequences to a protein sequence database, translating the DNA sequence in all reading frames. It finds out patches of sequence similarity between the query and database. Query means we fixed database. Database means already fixed one. It contains gaps and rapid. FASTA is working on the basis of the FASTA algorithm developed by Berry and Parton. Thank you, students. Keep watching.